Hello guys, a very good morning. Kurumjeri ma'am. So today I'm in Chicago and I just woke up. It's early in the morning, 6 a.m. It's a great day, amazing weather outside. So today is my second day in Chicago. Last morning we landed yesterday and I got so tired. I had my food and I just dozed off. So my day went by just like that. Yesterday sleeping, the whole day sleeping. So yeah, today is my second day and I made this vlog to show you guys like what a crew or what I do in my layovers. So yeah, this is my layover vlog. And if you guys haven't liked and subscribed to my channel, please do so. That would mean so much to me. And to those who have been following me since day one, thank you for showing me love and your support. You are the reason why I want to vlog more and show you all my content. So yeah, that's for it. And yeah, let's see. I don't have any plan as of now because I haven't planned yet, because the hotel where I'm staying is very new to me, because we recently changed our hotel. So the previous hotel had so many options like for shopping and all, like Dollar Tree, Walmart, and a big shopping malls were over there. So whenever we used to have layover in our previous hotel, we used to do shopping. So our hotel has been changed. This is a new place, so I don't know what all is there nearby so that I can explore. So I'm not sure even if I'm going to explore or not. So let's just see what I do in a day. So I'll show you guys, I'll take you along with me. So enjoy the video and yeah, have a nice day you all. Sida changnaga leya akhoi breakfast chama mi kyam leramdeno khangde video di number ai khoi zik mapan thale morning walk chatto ina. Wow, mafam khufazase kaino. Tumi aada ma'am walk chatnari somna se chatli walk wana chatpa loraga napi marak sida phamba duga hippa kyam nungai ni yong ne somde koir lake sisina khoi hotel leire. Marum lang inside ai si round nama pura koiraga lae sidagi sumaina laaga chatlaga lae. Sidaga phammaga saidaga phammaga hachik langaga picnic ka chaba nungai ru toisibo nuksitna nungai ba sitpane. Yadeda asok yam phajari mafam jibu karino me. How's hapsi langbagi sida sum pothari ngahak yam nungai sida gi view se nuksit se yam nungai na setle duga view se amta yengo mayam sida kamaina wakhal nungai oidino yam refreshing oy haba si ugi makhada na famis music sangani room da sisina khoi hotel gi maning side te ni ko sidana khoi hotel gi parking lot leire siguri ma'am se aina ngasai tholokpa exit to adu thokpa khate ai ba manung changba ya deba aduna mamang rom degi oina changani side da sida lavender hore to aina pamjaba machu daga sida su lai phajaba ma hore ado moise lumandana tara aba mal sigi lai ma'am se wow lumandana loi haidare fazai lai singje amna asomda su fresh oiba ma'am leire to mods mod fazadro ising jam phazai kai ko bono dei kem khangde ko dorso insai jam chena phazai sisina ko hotel gi main entrance ni ko phóng phamaga sak chau ra ne Tinga tum re hauzik pung manga makhai tare 5:30 evening ki 5:30 tare matang din tum bisi so dom nungai hauzik freshen up oraga apanda uka walking oina ngahak thurage nung tai walk to bravo walk chakka laga nung ta sale matang sini saadi kuing no matawe si side sini ayuka ena explore ta hoga side hai ta ko na hotel gi
Don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing wrong, 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 but I'll try to fix it. Love, 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 I wanna be strong, strong.
The weather is so good.
Yeah.
And it rained. It started raining, but now it has stopped.
Yeah.
So yeah, going for walk. We're gonna take that round, the whole one round, and then we're gonna go inside the room. Do some activity now. Yeah. So the run.
Yeah, run.
Let me breathe fresh air first. I can't run with this.
Change it, change it. Seeing eyes of mine, you see, there are no trees inside of me. In this desert, I can look at you with love. Seeing all that I can learn. stay.
भागो मेरे दोस्तों, बारिश हो रही है। रनिंग इन द रेन। भागो भागो। इधर था वही छोड़ने। So ma'am, I hojik halae ngatong walk thuubane ado nongju kanna tasila nusi sitpadagi haidi round amani walk chatlamaga dum change ko haidi nongdu kanjalakpagi adu leire ado hojik nongju chotlubagi cha sabam thakninge cha lola thani aduga ngatang rest toraga workout torani workout tor matungda use my tharaga dinner charga dum tummani.
I don't know where we're gonna fly like you did sometimes. Seeing eyes of mine. Love, love, love. I wanna be strong, strong. We're doing.
So ma'am, hojik ai workout to bolo izare ai 15 to 20 or almost 30 minutes ki workout oramni ene tawise ado ahan bane ina layover da workout tawise taseng na har bada ina workout start to hawrise lockdown manung sidani ko haidi hana ize workout am taw ba am tan ba bine haidi mana bina gym chatlu se du tawse har so ize am ngammaroi kanan gym bu kanan chatnai ge workout bu kana taw nai ge de ge ai sa du dum hana de dum kanga lairabina khar granted oina lor ba hai tare do marak ta isa du khar narga haidi sa je wa ba flight ta su yam thuna wa ba hinjilak pai ko ai ji sana dum khange as ai workout tawde ari sa je sumaina granted loba se phatte na khalaga ina quarantine manung sida lockdown manung sida khar gra oina beginners oina YouTube te yenga workout se hogibne duga diet se phajana charaga matam khar yengba kanda dum ai gi weight se kilo 5 hingat leba do ai je yam harawe haidi kilo 5 ai expect tawde ne hingat abada 1 kg or 2 kg adu manga ina khalame duga 5 kg hingat do yam thina surprise oi ba hai tare duna adu dagi sa je khara isa to the motivate oi gibado haidi sumaina to ina dum tawraga di sidai su hen achieve torpa ngamni haina khalaga is dum workout se dum hojik se engon de addict chuwe ta tawre ba haidi nongma gi 15 or 15 to 20 minutes maximum tawraga di sa je khara nongai jabado duna ai je lockdown manung da yum da lai ngai tabudi dum tawe to aina pakhali sina haidi flight pipe regular flights pipe horakan da di ai layover gum bachat pada workout to bangam gadra ngamoidra na khallu bane do ngasi ai hojik Chicago da lai duga sida hojik layover lai kan da ngasi nahan bane na layover da workout to ise ado mind du pura I set or la khramina tawda ba ya de na khanbagi ngasi wars wana matam khara kai thoga ai ke haini workout khara tawgo loi jare haidi sa jam nungai haidi ngatang waja tar jo hogdring in da am talle ko as workout to jam talle kholena do once horaga humang tar khadi sa dum nungai ba phawgo do ado sigi feelings jam nungai hai tare do workout se wars wana ngasi lo challe ado hojik ai freshen up or ni iruza mai thar ni ngatang relax targa chak charga nungdang phajana tummani ko haidi tumba su nungai ni haidi sa do khara warabni na ko so so ma'am ai hojik workout to bol warga iruza mai thar su loire ayuk to se chiu khrit to dum se le hai tare mo trimena ado hojik ai chak su lame ai yum de gi chak pure hai tare aduga sigi refrigerator da thamme do sisida microwave laye ado sahannaga chage belenji kanghu api ena duna aduga chaka So guys, video se matang sida dum lesson jarage aigi nongmagi layover da to activities mayam da loina utare si sini koina layover da to ise ado si makti tawde si je handak layover sigi khatane haidi utare se sigi handak matangi layover sigi matang da khatani ko atei regular atei hana mamang da di ai layover lai tar su haidi anamba koi ba tho explore to we shopping to chatle dagi lam aina udriba no no explore to chatle ko ado handakti covid 19 gi situation ju oibaga tho aroina khale room da dum layer ga hotel gi manakta dum explore to gena ado si layer aigi a day in my life ko aina utli se aigi layover gi nunga made numita bo aina tawba activities mayam do ko ado mayam video si yenga ga nungaram gani haina khale nungar se nungai su dum feedback bibir o comment section da aduga aigi video bu like tawba kawigano aduga subscribe se tawba kawigano mathangi video da umka thengnarse mayam na diekta fazana layo till then take care and bye bye